kayo, and I will be the first supporter of Chapter 13, the Integrated Ballistic Identification System, or the IBIS. So, introduction: when the bullet and shell casing are shot from a firearm, they can leave unique marks, which when examined by forensic scientists can link particular firearm to a specific crime. So, before 1998, the U.S. Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) and the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearm and Explosive (ATF), both under the U.S. Department of Justice, and nag-develop sa independent imaging system and database says to analyze the store ballistic image. So kani sila is pareha gagamit og kanang database or imaging system nga gina-compare nila ang bullet o bullet o basiyo, gina-compare nila. And IBIS was proposed in 1993 by the AFP from Forensic Technology Inc., a company in Montreal, Canada. The development of IBIS began in 1990 to help police and crime laboratories handle the rising number of gun-related crimes. IBIS made it possible to capture high-quality digital image of bullet and shell casing and compare them with evidence from other cases to look for matches.
So guys, I will continue the report of Mr. Alipayo. So, how IBIS works is a high-tech machine used in the crime labs. It takes very detailed photographs of fired bullets and cartridge casing. When a new bullet or casing is entered into the IBIS system, the computer search for similar image already in the database, and also it creates a list of possible matches, other bullets or casing that may have came from the same gun. Problem before in NIBIN, before the late 1990s, the FBI and the ATF had their own separate ballistic system. The FBI used ROGFAR and the ATF used IBIS. So this system could not communicate or share data with each other. This meant a bullet used in a crime in one city might match a bullet from another city. But the agencies will never know because their database were not connected. This limited their ability to solve crimes involving guns in multiple locations. So the IBIS technology is used to photograph and compare bullet evidence, and how the FBI and ATF combined their system in the late 1990s to create an IBIN, a nationwide network that allows crime lab across the U.S. matches bullets and solve gun-related crimes more effectively.
Hello everyone, I am Kristen J.C. Barapon and I will going to report the IBIS or the Integrated Ballistics Identification System. IBIS is like a special computer system that helps police to solve gun crimes. So since it is a system, it has a step-by-step process to work. First step is it take picture niya or scan niya ang bullets and cartridge case na na-recover sa crime scene. Diri ang part is I-think na to nga mura siya og super-powered camera for tiny details kay makita man niya ang dili makita sa ato ang naked eye. Second process is katong na-scan niya or na-take picture niya na bullet or cartridge case is ma-save to dikto sa isa ka database. So naa dikto tanan ang mga na-save nga picture sa katong before nga mga na-recover na crime scene bullets and cartridge cases. Think na to nga ang katong database is katong mura siyang album or photo album sa tanan na recover na cartridge case and bullets. So sa third process is to compare pictures. So diri kay i-compare niya ang katong na-scan na bullet or na-take picture na bullet or cartridge case atong uban pang mga pictures nga naa sa database nga na-recover pod. So diri when a new bullet or cartridge case is found, IBIS compares its picture to all the picture in the database. It is like a super fast matching game. So the fourth step here is to find a match. So if IBIS finds a match, it means the bullet or cartridge case might be linked to a specific gun or crime. So if nagmatch ang katong bag-o na recover na bullet or cartridge case atong uban pang naa sa photo album or nasa database na mga pictures, is isa lang ang perpetrator nila or same lang jud na jud sila like similarities. Nganong importante man ang IBIS? First is it saves time because it finds much faster than human. It is more accurate pod kung gamito nato kay system man siya. Then, it helps to solve gun crimes. IBIS and Philippine setting. So, on December 15, 2010, the Philippine National Police held a soft launch of the Integrated Ballistics Identification System at the brand new building in Camp Crame. So, kaning Camp Crame, morning location dito sa may Quezon City, sa may EDSA na street. The IBIS is the world standard in automated firearms identification system. IBIS is like a fingerprint database but for guns. So it helps police connect guns to crimes by matching the unique marks they leave on bullets and cartridge cases.
Good day, my name is James R. Avila. So I am the last reporter of Group 3. So my topic is all about capabilities of IBIS. So ang capabilities of IBIS kay usa ka sistema nga ginagamit sa forensic o police investigators aron matabangan sa pag-ila kung unsa nga pusil ang gigamit sa krimen pinaagi sa pagtan-aw sa cartridge case. So next, first, scan test. Standard bullets and cartridge cases of firearms and stored in the database. So, sa IBIS, ang mga test o standards bullets o cartridge cases nga ipabuto gikan sa usa ka firearms, i-scan ang mga marka makita sa bala o cartridge case kay unique sa matag pusil, pareha sa fingerprint sa tao, human maskan kini sa mga impormasyon sa save sa databases. Example, pananglitan kung ang pulis adunay bagong nakuhang pusil, ilang ipambuto kini sa fire test, ang bala sa cartridge case kay makuha, i-scan sa IBIS o i-store sa database isip reference sa umaabot nga investigasyon. So next kay scan evidence bullet cartridge cases recovered from the crime scene and stored database. So ang mga bala o cartridge case nga nakuha sa crime scene giscan usab sa IBIS, kini nga mga investigasyon gi-record o gi-save sa database aron mahimong ikumpirma sa ubang bala o sa sistema. So example, kung naay shooting incident o nakakita ang mga investigators o cartridge cases sa lugar, ila kining iscan sa IBIS o gibutang sa database aron mahibalaan kung konektado ba kini sa ubang kaso. So last, number 3, automatic search and correlation capability to look for a match against 1,300,000 records. Ang IBIS adunay automatic search o correlation feature nga makahimo sa pag-compare sa scan evidence kontra sa isa ka milyon o 300,000 ka record sa database. Ang sistema mo puli sa mga posibleng match o kasagaran mga 2 ka oras lang ang kinahanglan aron makitaan na pusil nga gigamit. So example, kung ang cartridge cases gikan sa crime scene iskan sa IBIS mismo, ang mangita og parehas nga marka sa database kung naay match, mahibalaan dayon sa investigator kung asa og unsa nga pusil ang gigamit sa krimen sa pagpusil. Moro po to akong topic, ma'am, sa IBIS. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am John Paul Argilias and I'm about to report the IBS database of the Philippine National Police. The Integrated Ballistics Identification System or IBS is a system used by the PNP to store and analyze ballistic evidence. It helps investigators link bullets and cartridge cases to recover from crime scene to specific firearms. The PNP IBS has 2 types of database. Number 1 is crime database. Contains ballistic data collected from bullets and cartridge cases found at the crime scenes. It does not include information about licensed firearms. And number 2, registration database. It stores ballistics records of licensed firearms together with the firearm owner information. This database is used when the capacity allows. At first, only the crime database was built because the initial IBS storage could not handle the large number of licensed firearm records. The registration database was created. It was planned to start once additional system capacity became available. Configuration of PNP IBS. The following IBS system is composed of the following equipment. Number 1 is cartridge scanner, Brass 3D X, scan fired cartridge cases. Number 2 is bullet scanner, Bullet Tracks 3D, scan fired bullets. Number 3, analysis station match point, used by forensics expert to analyze and compare evidence. Number 4, high capacity concentrator, stores large amount of ballistic data. And number 5 is 2D and 3D imaging, captures detailed images of cartridge cases and bullets. And lastly is processor correlation server, automatically compares and matches ballistic evidence. The importance of IBS system in the PNP is because help solve gun-related crime faster, link different crimes using ballistic matches, and support investigators with specific firearm evidence. And next is IBS Tracks 3D system process. The IBS Tracks 3D system is a forensic technology used by the Philippine National Police to examine and compare ballistic evidence. It works through a simple step-by-step process. Number 1, collect. The IBS Brass Tracks 3D scans fired cartridge cases. Next is IBS Bullet Tracks 3D scans fired bullets. These machines create high-resolution 3D images of ballistic evidence. Number 2, na second step, store and compare. The scanned images are saved in the IBS data concentrator. The correlation server automatically compares new evidence with stored records to find possible matches. And number 3 is analyze and report. At IBS Matchpoint workstation, forensic examiners review the computer-generated matches. Expert confirm results and prepare official forensic report. The importance of IBS Tracks 3D system is help link gun to crimes, connect related cases to ballistic matches, speed up criminal investigation using scientific methods. That's all. Thank you.